Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hide your friends list on Facebook so that no one else can see it. Let's get started. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, tap the three lines in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Next, scroll down until you find the section called Audience and Visibility. Now tap on How People Can Find and Contact You. At the top, you'll see the option that says Who Can See Your Friends List. Tap on it, and from the list, select Only Me. This will make your friends list completely private. Only you will be able to see it. And that's it. Now you know how to hide your friends list on Facebook.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.